Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart, and today I've got something rather unique that we don't see many of in this dealership. However, we have got this 2005 Bentley Continental GT. Now of course you get full front parking sensors, you then also get your front LED projector housing headlights, you then come around to the side and we have these brilliant 19-inch alloy wheels, all of which are in great condition, and I will go into each and every one just so you can see for yourselves the condition these are in, and of course the design pattern you do get. Coming around to the rear now, you'll notice it is on a 55 reg. You've then got your rear parking sensors as well. And if you just bear with me one moment just while I open the tailgate. With the tailgate on this car, you do have to press the button on the door, but in the rear now you do have plenty of room in here. You've then also got your little trickle charger port just here, as this does have two 12-volt batteries, which as you can see the previous owner has left in here for yourself, for the next owner. Then just closing the tailgate and then coming back out and around, showing you the rear alloy just here. Now you do of course get full keyless entry on this car as well. We've then also got your rear seats, which you can see here. We've got your cream leather interior with your navy accents, which is all makes this car look absolutely stunning. Then of course you've got full electric memory seats on both the front driver's and passenger seat. Inside now we've got your height control, so you can have it on a normal setting or you can put it a little bit higher if you would like the more comfortable option, just as you're going up and down the motorway. You've got the two buttons here, which if you press this one it will raise the spoiler, press down it will lower. We've then got your damper settings, so you can put it, as you can see on the display just here, in full comfort or full sports mode. You've got heated front seats. This is one of your options on how to start the car as well. I'll show you the other one on the way out. We've then got your automatic gearbox in the middle, wing mirror controls, electric handbrake. Then of course coming into the middle, we've then got your audio controls, so you can choose your radio band, the CD, as this does have a 6 CD changer. You've then got your TV control just down here as well, so you can tune into the TV. We've got your balance, and then your music, your sound, so your bass, treble, mid-range. Then you can in here turn the display completely off. Alternatively, you can control your air conditioning, your satellite navigation, your phone, and then the audio and TV. You've then obviously got the quick controls for the air conditioning, so you can turn that up and down just there like so, and it is dual climate in there also. Then over to the steering wheel, we've got your cruise control on the left hand side just there. We've then got your audio controls with your hands-free and voice assistant. Then of course just down below we have your onboard computer controls just there. Headlights are on the left, windscreen wipers on the right, and then you've also got your two flappy paddles just there. As you can see, this car has done 98,914, which for a 20-year-old car, this car looks like it's done half that mileage. As you can see, the spoiler is now raised on the back as well. Then just showing you the last remaining alloy. Then of course showing you the main feature of this car. I will now go into the engine bay just so you can get an idea of what engine is in this car. Just bear with me one moment, it's quite hard to do it one-handed. So to get in the boot, you simply pull this button here, the B sign, and then the bonnet will lift up like so. And as you can see, we do have a 6-litre W12 twin turbo engine, which is the smoothest engine you could probably have in any car on the road. And then coming back out now, just shutting the bonnet. If you do of course require any further information on this Bentley, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.